Hello students, in this video we are going to study about what can be the value of magnification and based upon that what can be the size of the image. Magnification, as we have already learned in the last video, is Hi upon Ho, or it is equals to minus V by U. The minus sign is already included in the formula, and therefore it will be used in the formula as it is. The first, you can see here I have written that when the value of m is equal to 1, that means when the magnification value after calculating the value of Hi by Ho or minus V by U, if the value comes out to be 1, then it means that the size of the image is same as that of the object. When the value of m is greater than 1, after calculation, if the value comes more than 1, then the size of the image is more than size of the object. Similarly, when the value of m is less than 1, then the size of the image is less than the size of the object. So, this means that the numerical value is going to tell us whether the image is going to be of same size, larger than the object, or less than the object. Magnification image can also be minus or plus. That means the value of m other than numerical value can come positive or negative also. So if the value of m is positive, it means that the nature of image is virtual and erect. It means that the image which will be formed, that will be virtual in nature. If the value of m is negative, then the nature of image is real and inverted. This means that the image will be upside down, as we have seen in 5 cases of concave mirror. And for the last case of concave mirror, that is the 6th case, when the object is placed between f and p, the value of m will come out to be positive. This helps us to find out the nature of image while solving the numericals. We are going to see an example here. For example, number 1, if m is equal to 2, that means after calculating the value of magnification, if the numerical value comes out to be 2 and any sign is not written, that is positive and negative, then it is understood then it is a positive sign. That means it is positive 2. Then size of the image, it means it will be larger than the object or it will be magnified. How many times magnified? It will be 2 times magnified. And the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. But now in the second example, if the value of m is equal to 2, then in that case also the size of the image will be the same. That means the larger than the object or it will be magnified. How many times? 2 times. Then what is the difference between the first value of m and the next value of m? The difference lies in the nature. You can see that the nature of the image in this case is real and inverted. Now the whole concept of magnification tells us this means that magnification value, the numerical value of magnification tells us about the size of the image, and the positive or negative sign of the magnification tells us about the nature of the image. Now by solving the numericals one by one on magnification and on mirror formula, this particular part will also be practiced again and again. Thank you.